Hi guys, Steph here. Okie dokie, what have we got for you today? Well, what we've got for you is another video on the theme of scrap it or use it. As I said in my previous video, what we do when we're out looking for pens in the wild, occasionally we receive pens that have got issues, and sometimes what we need to do is look at them pens and decide what we're actually going to do with them. Do we scrap them? Do we use them as parts? Do we restore it? Etc, etc. And what I found is this particular pen here. For you eagle-eyed viewers, you can see it's a Parker 51. Now the problem being is got a few issues. First of all, you can see to the very top there, everything is missing, the clip, the jewel, etc. But the main problems being that if we look at the cap, you can see it's got a very bad wear mark there, and it's actually indented. If I show you the bottom of the barrel, you can see there it's got very bad wear marks to the very bottom of the, not the barrel, sorry, the cap. So you can see the bottom of the cap there is worn through to the brass. Also, if we show you the top of the cap there, again same thing applies. There's a lot of wear to the very top of the cap. And also, if I turn it round, hopefully you can see it's got, you know, numerous dings here and there, but the main thing, it's quite badly worn. So the dilemma was, what do we do? Do we scrap it, replace the cap, etc.? One of the other things as well, if I take off the cap for you, show you the hood, you can see again what happens with these pens when we find them. Occasionally we find them that the tip of the hood is broken off like this. Okay, so that needs to be replaced. And last but not least, well, you can see that it's a Aerometric fountain pen. You can see there the sap protector, etc. So we've got a Parker 51 Aerometric with numerous issues, and the question is, do we scrap it or do we use it? So what I decided in this instant was to use it. And again, what I did, it's not the original box, I popped it in this particular box here because the pen looks absolutely beautiful. And there we have the pen finished. Okay, so let's take it out. Let's close the box, pop the box to one side, and there we have it. Look at that, look at the transformation. What an absolutely gorgeous, beautiful fountain pen. Now again, for you people that watch my videos on a regular basis, you will know that I've actually done similar pens before with this, my own personalised customization. But I don't think I've ever done actually a black one, so slightly different. But I just thought I'd show you the before and after. You can see the cap now. What I've actually done, I've actually hand engraved the whole barrel with this sort of, it's like a sort of a textured design. Okay, once I actually finished that, I gave it a good polish, and then it had, well, I actually 24 karat gold plated everything. So all the wear marks that we saw before are no longer there. Any dings, etc., are no longer there. It's in absolutely gorgeous condition, and in my opinion it looks absolutely superb. You can see there we've put a new, well, not a new, but a replacement clip to it. And then if I show you the top there you go, we've got a semi-precious jet stone to the very top there. Now for some people that have not seen my videos before, they may think, ah yeah, what you've done, you've simply just glued a sort of cabochon or whatever onto the top of the pen. Well, no, I haven't. What I actually do is actually I grind. This is actually a cabochon which is ground inside to a concave sort of pattern, if you like. It's concaved inside, it's grounded, and then what I tend to do is use an old original jewel. And again, when I receive them, occasionally I get broken ones, I get badly cracked ones, etc. I keep them, and what I do is actually make them slightly smaller, do a little bit of work on them, and then I epoxy them inside this jewel. So it's actually got the original, if you like, the plastic jewel inside this semi-precious jewel, and it's epoxied on, it's screwed back in, so like a normal jewel it can be screwed in and out, but in this particular instance we don't need to unscrew it because the pen is complete. It looks absolutely beautiful, as you can see. So that's my sort of custom cap. If we take the cap off, show you the section, you can see we've put a new section in it, as you can see there. In this instance I've also replaced the nib to a standard, I think it's a slightly fine medium nib, because the other one actually had a nice sort of broader nib, which I need to straighten out and use on another pen. But if we show you the underneath there, you can see everything is lovely and clean. Let's try and get the angle. There you go. Everything has been cleaned, polished, etc. The collector, the feed, the breather tube, everything internally has been cleaned. Again, there's the Aerometric filler, and what you'll notice there, we've actually installed a new silicone sack inside, which is lovely, clean and clear. Again, things have been polished internally, and there we have it in absolutely gorgeous condition. All the micro scratches have been removed, it's been polished, and it's ready to find a new home. So somebody will have the pleasure of owning simply a one-off unique Parker 51 in this, again I'm calling it a textured design with 24 karat gold plating with a black jet jewel to the top. Absolutely stunning. In fact, in my opinion, the video in this case does not do the pen justice. In real life, in the hand, it is an absolutely stunning pen. So in this case, scrap it or use it. In this case, use it. I hope you've enjoyed looking at the video as much as I enjoy showing them to you, or the pens should I say. Don't forget, don't be shy, leave a comment down below. Have you subscribed? If not, subscribe now. And don't forget people, we've still got a problem, so wherever you are, stay safe. But for now, I'll just say bye bye for now.